So you want to get smarter. But let me guess, you don't want to lock yourself in a library, study 10 hours a day, and drink 7 cups of coffee like some sleep-deprived philosopher? Well, good news. You don't have to. Becoming smarter is actually stupidly easy if you know the right tricks. Let me show you how. Most people think being smart means reading long, boring books. But let's be real. When was the last time you actually finished one? Instead of reading 500 pages of fluff, just read summaries. Apps like Blinkist and Shortform give you the juicy parts in 10 minutes. But don't just take their word for it. After reading the summary, ask yourself, do I want to know more? If yes, then dive into the full book. If not, move on. Or better yet, read books that are actually fun. Biographies, psychology, or even history. Just pick something that doesn't feel like a school textbook. Need recommendations? Try books like Atomic Habits, The Psychology of Money, or Sapiens. Books that teach you practical knowledge without boring you to death. And here's the cheat code. Audiobooks. You can read while doing literally anything. Working out, commuting, or pretending to clean your room. Apps like Audible or Libby, which is free, turn wasted time into brain power. In fact, did you know Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, attributes much of his success to reading all day? Still too much effort? Try book breakdowns on YouTube. In 15 minutes, you'll know all the key points without touching a single page. And if you want to take it up a notch, use the 3-2-1 rule. Every time you finish a book, write down 3 key takeaways, 2 things you'll apply, and 1 idea you'll share with someone else. This locks in the knowledge. The goal isn't to read more, it's to read smarter. Choose books that solve problems you actually care about, and you'll retain way more information. The secret to getting smart? Trick your brain into thinking it's fun. Use apps like Duolingo, Brilliant, or even video games that make you think. Yes, even chess counts. Chess isn't just a game. It trains you to think ahead, strategize, and solve problems, all of which are key skills for intelligence. And if you want to remember stuff forever, try the Feynman technique. Just explain it to someone in the dumbest way possible until even a 5-year-old gets it. This forces your brain to simplify complex ideas, which means you actually understand them. Another hack? Learn in short bursts. Ever heard of the Pomodoro technique? Study or learn for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat. This keeps your brain fresh and stops you from zoning out. You're already watching YouTube, right? Might as well watch smart stuff. Channels like Kurzgesagt, Veritasium, and even this one, wink wink, will make you smarter without feeling like school. Want even more? Try TED Talks, masterclasses, or even deep dive Twitter threads from experts. Oh, and podcasts. Just throw one on while you eat, shower, or pretend to work. Boom, free knowledge. And don't just listen. Engage. Pause, take notes, or even tweet about what you learned. Engaging with information helps it stick. Smart people don't just memorize random facts. They ask better questions. Instead of, what is this? Ask, how does this work? Or, how can I use this in my life? Curiosity is the ultimate cheat code. If you're always asking why and how, you'll learn 10x faster. Also, write down your ideas. Smart people don't just think, they capture their thoughts. Start a second brain using Notion, Evernote, or even just a notebook. Another key to thinking like a smart person is making connections between ideas. The best thinkers don't just learn new information, they find ways to apply it to different fields. That's why so many breakthroughs happen when people mix ideas from different areas, like technology and psychology, or science and business. And lastly, practice lateral thinking. Instead of looking for just one right answer, try to see problems from different angles. This is how geniuses like Einstein and Leonardo da Vinci made their biggest discoveries. Instead of asking, what's the correct answer? Ask, what are all the possible solutions? You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you hang around 5 lazy people, you'll be the 6th. If you hang around 5 smart, ambitious people, guess what? You'll level up too. Don't have smart friends? No problem. Join online communities, follow thought leaders, and interact in comment sections of educational content. The internet is your friend. Go to forums like Reddit, Quora, or Discord servers focused on learning and growth. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and challenge yourself to keep up with smart conversations. And remember, being surrounded by smart people doesn't mean just copying them. It means learning how they think. Observe how they approach problems, make decisions, and explain concepts. Over time, their mindset will become yours. So there you have it. No boring study sessions, no 400-page textbooks, just smart habits that actually work. And if you want one more brain hack, hit that subscribe button. It's scientifically proven to make you 17% smarter. Not really, but you should still do it.